Hello friends, in this video we are going to study the logarithmic equation involving logarithm. So how to solve that kind of equation. So this is our lecture 3 of logarithm. Okay now. So now we are going to solve first questions. Question number 1, topic is logarithmic equation. Equation is given like that: x square minus 5 to the power log of x base 5 and minus 6, which is equal to 0. How to solve this equation? All of you know about that. One property is there: a to the power log of x and base a is nothing but x. So here we can write this is x square minus x minus 6, which is equal to 0. This we can write as x minus 3 multiply with x plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now x equal to 3 comma minus 2, but log of minus 2 base 5, these things, log of x base 5 is not defined, so therefore x cannot take the value minus 2. So what we have to take, x equal to 3 only. Hope guys all of you understand this concept. Now coming to the question number 2. Here question is log 5, log base 5, 26 minus 5 power x and whole divided by x minus 2, which is equal to 1. Here base is 5. How to solve this equation? So first of all we do the cross multiply. 5 26 minus 5 power x, which is equal to x minus 2. Now next is 26 minus 5 power x, which is equal to 5 power x minus 2, that is same as 5 power x by 5 square. From here we can write 26, which is equal to 5 power x plus 5 power x by 5 square. If you take 5 power x outside, it will be 1 plus 1 by 5 square. So 5 square plus 1, that is 25 plus 1, 26. So it is 5 power x into 26 by 25. So 26 and this 26 cancel out. So what we have, 5 power x equal to 25, and 25 can be written as 5 square. So from here we get x equal to 2. What we can say about at x equal to 2, the given conditions or the given equation is not defined. When you put x equal to 2, this part becomes 0. So now upper part is also 0. So 0 by 0 form will appear. So now we can say that 0 by 0 is not equal to 1. So there is no solution. No solution exists. No solution. Hope all of you understand this question. Now next is question number 3. Log 4 base is x minus 1 plus not plus is equal to 1 plus log x minus 1 base 2. How to solve this equation? Okay, now log 4 we can write as log 2 square, which is x minus 1, 1 plus log x minus 1 base 2. So here we have 2t is equal to 1 plus 1 by t. So here I consider t is equal to log of 2 comma x minus 1. So this will happen 2t square is equal to 1 plus t. So now we have 2t square minus t minus 1 equal to 0. We can write as 2t square minus 2t plus t minus 1, which is 0. Take 2t common, it will be t minus 1. From here we take 1 common, it will be t minus 1. So now factorization is 2t plus 1 multiply with t minus 1, which is 0. The value of t is either 1 or minus 1 by 2. So now what we assume that log of 2 base x minus 1, which is equal to 1. So x minus 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to, we have 3. And when we consider log of 2 x minus 1 is equal to minus half, so it will be what? You can take in this way, x minus 1 which is equal to 2, that means 2 power this. X minus 1 is equal to 2 power minus 2, that means 1 by 4. So x is equal to, we have 1 plus 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4. So now we have to check this value defined or not. Yes, 3 minus 1 2, here 3 minus 1 is 2 is defined. So now our answer is x is equal to 3 and 5 by 4. So hope all of you understand this question. Any doubt guys, you can write in the inbox. You can send your queries. Now coming to the next question, question number 4. Ten to the power 1 plus log x base 4 plus 10 to the power log of x 1 by 4 minus 101 by 10. Now this thing we can write as 10 to the power 1 plus log of x base 4, and here 10 to the power, this 1 by 4 we can write as 4 to the power minus 1. So take minus 1 outside, so it will be log of x base 4 minus 1. If I take minus outside, it will be whole plus. So 101 by 10. Consider this whole number as t. So t plus t to the power minus 1 by t, 101 by 10. So what we have here, t is equal to 10 whole power 1 plus log x base 4. This is our t. We assume this one. So what we have here actually t square plus 1, then 10 times of this, t times of 101. So 10t square minus 101t plus 10 is equal to 0. 10 into 10 100, from 100 we want to bring 110, 10t square minus 100t minus t and then plus 10, which is equal to 0. Take 10 common, 10t, so it will be t minus 10. From here take minus 1 common, t minus 100, which is equal to 0. So now t minus 10 and then 10t minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have t is equal to 10 or 1 by 10. 10 or 1 by 10, that is the value of t. 10 or 1 by 10. So when 1 by 10, okay. So when t is equal to 10, so what we have, we assume this one is t. So from here we have 10 is equal to 10 to the power 1 plus log of x base 4. From here it is 1, so 1 is equal to 1 plus log of x base 4. Oh, so 1 cancel, 4 to the power 0 is 1, x is equal to 1 only. When 10 to the power minus 1 is 10 to the power 1 plus log x base 4. So now minus 1 minus 2 is equal to log of x base 4. X is equal to 4 to the power minus 2, which is 16, 1 by 16. Okay. So hope all of you understand this concept. Coming to the next question, question number 5. Take x plus 1 and its power is log of x plus 1 base 10. Power is log of x plus 1 power 10, and which is same as x plus 1 whole power 5 divided by 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, now after 1 there are 6 zeros. Okay, now, so how to solve this question? So when we have variable, remember this technique, dear student, when you have variable to the power variable, so from both sides you have to take the logarithm, you have to introduce the log. So now taking log base 10 from both sides, so what we have log of x plus 1 base 10, and log of x plus 1 10 in the power, it will come outside, so it will be whole square. And here we have 5 times of log x plus 1 base 10, here minus 6. Now put log of x plus 1 base 10 is equal to t. So what we have, t square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. Simple middle term break we apply here, t minus 3 and t minus 2 is equal to 0. The value of t is either 3 or 2. So when log x plus 1, when log x plus 1 base 10 is equal to 3, so we have x is equal to 10 power 3 minus 1, so 999 we have. When log of x plus 1 base 10 is equal to 2, then we have x is equal to 10 power 2 minus 1, that means 999. So these two are the answer. Okay. Now coming to the next question number 6. Question is 7 to the power log of x base 7, and in the power this is whole square. Then you have x times of log x base 7, 4802. How to solve this one? So first of all, remember 7 to the power log x base 7, it is present in the product form 2 times, and this is x power log of x base 7, 4802. So here we can apply the formula, all of you know about it, that a power log of x base a is nothing but x. So these two cancel out, you are getting x and its power is log of x base 7, and here you have x to the power log of x base 7, and here you have 4802. So x plus x 2x, so 2x power log x base 7, 4802. Dividing by 2, what we have, these two cancel out here, 2401. Okay, now 2401 is nothing but 7 to the power 4. So what we have, log x base 7 is equal to 7 to the power 4. 7 to the power 4. One x is there. Okay. Now taking log on both sides, so it is log of x base 7 and into log of x base 7. Here one thing, it is on the power x to the power this one. So here we get 4 log of 7 base 7, which is 1. So now log x base 7 whole square is equal to 4. So now log of x base 7 is equal to plus and minus 2. So when you take the positive 2, it will be log of x base 7 positive 2, then x is equal to 7 power 2, that is 49. When log of x base 7 is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 7 to the power minus 2, that is 1 by 49. So these two are the answer. 49 or 1 by 49. So hope all of you understand how to solve this type of problem. Now coming to the last question, that is our question number 7. We have log 5, and here 5 to the power 1 by x plus 125, then divided by 6. On the right hand side we have 5, 1 plus 2x, not 5, it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2x. So from here we have to find x. How to solve it? So dear student, when you are watching my video, after giving the question you should pause the video. After that you should try to solve by yourself. If you stuck at the solution, then you will see the video, otherwise no need to see. You stop it and try to do the solution by yourself. So from here we have 5 to the power 1 by x plus 125, then whole divided by 6, which is equal to 5 to the power 1 plus 1 by 2x. From here 5 to the power 1 by x plus 125, which is equal to 6 times of 5 power 1, then 5 power 1 by 2x. Okay now. So here we consider 5 power 1 by x I consider as 5 by 1 power 2x I consider as t. So this will imply 5 by x is equal to t square. So therefore we have, finally we have t square plus 125, 6 times of 5, and then it is t. So what we say, t square 30t plus 125. So 25 into 5, 25 plus 5 is 30. So now we can write t minus 25, or 1 is t minus 5, which is equal to 0. So t is equal to 25 comma 5. T value is what? 5 to the power 1 by 2x, which is equal to 5 square. So 1 by 2x we can say 2. So 2x equal to 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 2 by 2, 1 by 4. Now when 5 to the power 1 by 2x achieve this value 2, 5 to the power 1, 1 by 2x equal to 1, 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. So therefore required value of x is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So hope in this case where we are discussing the logarithmic equation, I hope all of you enjoy this class. In the next class we will do the common logarithm, characteristics and main tissue of the logarithm. Then we will complete our this series log chapters, and there are total 5 session, or the 5 lectures are there. So out of which we have completed 3 here. Now the rest 2 are left. In the next 2 videos we have complete our whole series. Till then, bye, have a nice day. Now we will meet you in the next video. Hope you enjoy this.